set of experiment, that is estimation of glucose by Fehling solution. For this experiment, what we have required? And first of all, we have to require one stand, one burette, okay, then pipette, then measuring flask, then conical flask, and different chemicals like, that is for dextrose. Now for this we require Fehling solution A. Now we also require Fehling solution B. Is it clear? No problem. Now we have to take equal volume of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution in a test tube. Okay, no problem. By taking the pipette or any measuring flask. It consists of an equal volume of Fehling solution A, Fehling solution B. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now to this we have to add, what is this?
20 ml of distilled water.
20 ml of distilled water. Chakravarti, just you add 20 ml of distilled water in this conical flask. Okay, then you shake it so that it is properly homogenized. Okay, no problem. Now, near about 0.5% dextrose solution is added into the burette. 0.5% dextrose solution is added. We add 0.5% dextrose solution in the burette for titrate. Okay, no problem. Just to see, आप कैमरा को थोड़ा आगे लेके आगे दिखाओ. यहाँ पर 0 पर आ गया. हम देखो 0 पर आ गया. Now it should be like on 0. ज़्यादा हो गया कोई बात नहीं है. ज़्यादा हो गया इसको हम लोग सीधे यहाँ पर 0 पर कर देते हैं. ठीक है. ठीक है. Now it is 0 0. Near about. ठीक है. Conical flask containing Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B should be treated to heat near about boiling point. Now just you see. अब इसको थोड़ा डिकोड कीजिए कि बॉयल होने तक इसको रखेंगे. Now it is a 0 point, near about 0.0. वो दिख रहा है. Is it clear?
चमक से ही नहीं दिख
चमक से
रहा है.
आप देखिए चमकेगा नहीं. देखिए दिख रहा है 0.
हाँ सर हल्का.
Very good. Now इसे रखो धीरे धीरे. Now we start titrating. Drop by drop. घूमो. इसे घूमो. इसे हुआ. ठीक है. आपने इसको धीरे धीरे घुमाओ. स्टार्ट है ना. इसको दिखना भी चाहिए. जस्ट स्टार्ट टाइट्रेटिंग by drop by drop. Now see, we have to take at what point the color will change. Now the color is there about light blue, na? We have to see what color appears. I hope it will be like brown.
Brown.
Big red color. Just we drop and drop. We have to see at what point the color will change. Now it is closed.
We heat it again.
Now it is heated again for some time. No, कर दो. इसको फिर से एक बार हाथ पर दिखे भी. Drop it. Drop it. Boom. See it. Now just see the color.
Yes. Color.
See the color. No. These are the curves. Precipitate. Now this is the actual. Now we see what is the exact value. You just see
22.5.
now just to see. This is 22.5. Now we will do the calculation part. Now 20 ml of Fehling solution is equal to 22 ml of standard glucose solution. Now 20 ml of Fehling solution equal to x ml supplied glucose solution. Now x ml of supplied glucose solution is equal to 22.8 ml standard glucose solution. Okay. Now after putting the values, we get 1.25 into 22.8 divided by 250 gram of glucose, and in 1000 ml unknown glucose solution is equal to 4 into 1.25 into 22 point upon x. Now this is the table, and after putting these values, we get the below in the table, that is x is equal to 24.1, that is 24.1. Then 4 into 1.25 into 22.8 divided by 24.1, that is equal to 4.73 gram of glucose present in 1 liter unknown glucose solution. This is the required table for after doing the whole experiment.